Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will act now. On the working PC, download the ISE Password Windows Password Recovery ISO and grab Rufus to make a bootable USB. Once done, plug in the blank 8 GB plus drive and open Rufus. Choose the ISO and set partition scheme to match the target PC, MBR for legacy, or GPT for UEFI. Make sure data on the USB is backed up because this will erase it. This gets you to the bootable media step quickly, so you can move to the target machine. You now boot the target PC from the USB you created. Press the firmware key to open the boot menu and pick the USB device. Once Iseepassword loads, select the detected Windows installation. The tool scans system folders, so pick the correct disk. Then choose the specific user account and use the reset or remove password option. The utility modifies SAM files, so Windows will no longer require the old password. After the operation completes, follow on-screen prompts to shut down or reboot. You're almost done. Remove the USB and reboot into Windows. Try logging into the user account with a blank password. If you used reset, create a new local password immediately for security. If the account is a Microsoft account, sign in and update the password online after access is restored. If Windows blocks login or reports corruption, reboot into safe mode and repeat the reset. Or rebuild the bootable USB on the working PC, because a bad ISO write is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.